Did you know that for someone with ADHD, making a phone call during an emergency can feel harder than climbing a mountain? David found this out the hard way when his car broke down on a dark, empty highway at night. While most people would instantly call AAA, David's brain had other plans. He spent 45 minutes writing and rewriting what he would say to the mechanic. He worried about bothering someone so late. Should he call AAA first or a tow truck? What if they ask questions he can't answer? His ADHD brain turned one simple phone call into a maze of what-ifs and worst-case scenarios. So instead of calling, he texted his family members for 6 hours straight. He analyzed the perfect time to call, imagined every possible conversation, and worried about sounding stupid. Eventually, he fell asleep in his driver's seat, still paralyzed by phone anxiety. What seems like a 2-minute task to most people became an impossible mountain for his ADHD brain to climb.